viviparous and oviparous animals. Okay, viviparous, P-A-R-O-U-S, and oviparous, P-A-R-O-U-S, oviparous animals. We have we have talked about the external and internal development of young ones in different animals. We have talked about above about the external and internal development of young ones in different animals. Okay, so sometimes development of the zygote takes place inside the body of the mother, and sometimes in some cases we find development takes place outside the body of the mother. Okay, so on the basis of that, on the basis of and a process of development of the zygote, the animals are of two types, viviparous and oviparous animals. So what are viviparous animals? And vivas means alive. Okay, viviparous animals are those animals whose females give birth to young ones, and whose females give birth to young ones directly. Means they produce a baby directly from the mother. The embryo develops inside the body of the mother, and the mother gives birth to young ones. These characteristics distinguishes mammals from other groups. So the viviparous animals, yani the mammals, and the mammals are those animals which give birth to young ones directly. Okay, the development of the embryo takes place inside the body of the mother. The baby gets fully developed and comes out as a newborn baby, and just like that of the just like of the adult species, just like an adult of that species. Okay, so that is viviparous animals give birth to young ones directly. They do not lay egg, or they do not produce egg. Now to come to oviparous animals. Ova means what? Egg. Just for remembering, ova means egg. So oviparous यानी egg laying. ठीक है, ओवा ओभी है ना. सो इस थोड़ा सा जोड़ दिया है तो इनको याद रहे. ओवा मीन्स एग. सो oviparous animals are egg laying animals. ठीक है, are animals that lay eggs. The eggs have little or no other embryonic development. है ना, एग्स में क्या है? एम्ब्रियो है, जाइगोट है ना. जाइगोट से थोड़ा सा एम्ब्रियोनिक डेवलपमेंट हो सकता है विद इन द मदर. थोड़ा मोड़ा मतलब डेवलपमेंट प्रोसेस चालू चालू रहता है. द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एग टेक्स प्लेस रिलेवेंट in the relevant external surroundings, or the development of the embryo or the zygote takes place outside the body of the female, and that is in the form of egg. It is the reproductive method of most fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and insects. All these animals lay eggs, and then a baby is born or produced. Okay, so the egg laying, the babies which come out from the egg, and such animals are called the oviparous animals, yani egg laying animals. So देखो eggs of frog इस तरह से है ना. The eggs are laid outside है ना the body of the female, and the both sperm and ovum, and they fuse their development. They are fertilized in external, and development is also external. Tadpole, this is the structure of the tadpole. It looks similar to a small fishes. You cannot recognize tadpole and between fish. Now come to the journey from young ones to adults. Journey from young ones to adults. All young ones grow to form adults regardless of whether they have hatched from an egg or are born directly. So we have seen that there are two types of birth, and sometimes the babies are born directly in some animals, and in some animals they come out from the egg. Okay, so grow to form regardless of whether they are hatched from egg or born directly, and so they will grow bigger, and छोटा से बड़ा होगा. In many animals, the young one at birth is miniature and a version of the adult form. So in many animals, the young one at birth is miniature version of the adult form. जैसे कि in case of viviparous animals, the baby that is born is just similar to the adult one. Okay, the development of such young ones into adult is known as the direct development. So in case of human beings or other mammals, the development of the young one is the direct development, and that is the baby is born just like an adult. Okay, so there is no change in the body structure during the course of development. But in some animals, the young ones initially are very different from their adults. लेकिन देखो कुछ एनिमल्स के लिए यंग वंस बेबीज क्या हो जाएगा, बेबीज विल बी एंटायरली डिफरेंट फ्रॉम देयर एडल्ट्स. है ना, एडल्ट्स का रूप अलग है और बेबी स्टेज में अलग है. कैसे देखो ना, फॉर एग्जांपल ए टैडपोल लुक्स very different from an adult frog. देखो यहाँ पर डायग्राम देखो, this is a tadpole, this is a these are eggs है ना, eggs got fertilized, so zygote or embryonic development takes place, embryo tadpole develops. Okay, that this is the shape of the tadpole, just like a fish, but that shape of the tadpole and changes just like this. This is intermediate stage, and where it shows both the parts of frog and the tadpole, frog and the tadpole. And when it finally the tail shortens, and finally it develops into an adult frog. So just a frog and the tadpole, and these are entirely two different stages. So in this way, during the course of development, there is change in the body structure of many animals, in case of many animals. So similarly, a caterpillar or a pupa of a silk moth or a butterfly looks very different from its parent. और caterpillar देखो, वो कीड़ा जो है लगता ही नहीं कि it is a form of butterfly or any other insect. In fact, there are a number of features, देखो, in fact there are a number of features in the adult frogs that are not present in the tadpole, है ना, जो adult frog में है वो tadpole में उतना features यानी body parts नहीं रहता है. For example, a frog has lungs. A frog has a, देखो frog का क्या होगा, how does the adult frog and tadpole differs? And a frog has a lungs, but a tadpole has a gill. Tadpole के लिए क्या है, gill है. क्यों ना, gills just like fishes, they live in water, so they have got gills like the fishes. But adult frog has lungs like us, they can live in outside the water in air, so for that lungs are needed. So adult frog has lungs, but tadpole has gills for respiration. This type of development is known as the indirect development. This type of development is called the indirect development. Means what, the baby form was something else and the adult form is something quite other. So what is this process called? What is this process of called? A marked and more or less an abrupt development change. A marked and more or less abrupt development change in the structure and habit of an animal, and as in case of butterfly or a frog, occurring during its life cycle is called metamorphosis. So this process is called metamorphosis of frog. Okay, so a marked मतलब remarkable and more or less abrupt development, और क्या हो जाएगा, तो तुरंत चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है ना, तुरंत मतलब क्या, हाँ वो धीरे धीरे बदल जाएगा. abrupt developmental change in the structure and habit of an animal. देखो स्ट्रक्चर एंड हैबिट, स्ट्रक्चर भी बदल रहा है, हैबिट मतलब एक्वाटिक से क्या हो जाएगा, टेरेस्ट्रियल एनिमल हो जाएगा. aquatic मतलब water, living in water, and terrestrial मतलब living in land. So during its life cycle is termed as metamorphosis. Okay, important है, इस definition को याद रखोगे. A marked and more or less abrupt development change in the structure and habit of an animal occurring during its life cycle is termed as metamorphosis. Okay, during the life cycle of an amphibian, eggs are laid in water. Amphibians मतलब what, those who can live in both in land and water. Amphibians eggs are laid in water. Eggs कहाँ होगा, वाटर में होगा. The tadpole then emerges from the egg. तो tadpole के रूप में egg से निकला, है ना, and swims freely in water and can swim in water just like fishes. The tadpole has a gill. tadpole के पास क्या रहता है, ब्रीदिंग के लिए गिल है. a tail, और क्या है, टेल है, and a small circular mouth. एक तो सर्कुलर माउथ भी है छोटा सा. The tadpole grows until it begins to undergo metamorphosis. ओके, tadpole धीरे धीरे मेटामॉर्फोसिस के जरिए क्या हो जाएगा, एडल्ट फ्रॉग बनेगा. द tadpole grows until it begins to undergo metamorphosis. Metamorphosis begins with the development of the hind legs, है ना. मेटामॉर्फोसिस begins with the development of hind legs, मतलब पीछे वाला पैर. देखो मेटामॉर्फोसिस स्टेज में पीछे वाला पैर का क्या डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट हुआ. So followed by the front legs, उसके बाद आगे वाला पैर भी निकल जाता है, followed by front legs. Then the lungs develop, उसके बाद lungs भी grow हो जाएगा, so that it can breathe in air. The tadpole then begins to swim on the surface of water and to breathe. तो वो अब tadpole क्या हो जाएगा, पानी के ऊपर आ जाएगा, है. It can breathe in from the air. The intestine shortens, intestine छोटा हो जाएगा to adapt to the intestine shortens to adapt the एनिमल टू ए कार्निवोरस डाइट. ठीक है, पहले तो हार्बीवोरस था tadpole के रूप में, अब वो कार्निवोरस एनिमल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, कार्निवोरस मीन्स इट कैन नाउ टेक अदर लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स. ओके, एनिमल्स, स्मॉल इंसेक्ट्स एटसेट्रा. So intestine shortens to adapt the animal to a carnivorous diet. In case of frogs, the tail gets absorbed, or in case of frog जब बनेगा पूरा तो tail gets absorbed, so tail छोटा हो जाएगा, absorbed by the body during the last stage of the metamorphosis. A tailed tadpole, so a tailed tadpole thereby changes into a tailless frog. So देखो a tailed tadpole changes into an adult frog without a tail. So this is how the development of the frog takes place during metamorphosis. Metamorphosis is a cyclic change in the structure and habit of an animal. Okay.